Hello and welcome to the Flipping and Wholesaling Houses show in New York. I'm Michael Pinter. I teach you how to start flipping and wholesaling houses, or if you're already done doing it, how to grow your business. So this is a question I get asked all the time. That's about virtual wholesaling or flipping. So that means you're in New York, but you're doing it in other areas. So the truth is, the only thing that matters is the area that you're doing it in, right? If the area you're doing it in is not in New York, it's a regular wholesale or flip like you would do in any other state, which means you don't have any of the restrictions or any of the benefits of New York. There's not much to talk about. Where you're located is not really relevant. The only thing that matters is the location of the property that you're doing. So people ask me, what do I need to know? What do you need to know? You can get that information anywhere on the internet if you're not doing it in New York. There's a billion gurus and people that teach how to do that. I don't even want to bother with it. It's so simple because doing it outside of New York is different and easier and harder. Easier and worse, in my opinion, because you make less money and there's a lot more competition, but easier for sure. You don't have to deal with attorneys and there's a lot of the restrictions in New York. So I don't think you need me to virtual wholesale anywhere. What do you need to know to do that? So you have to ask yourself the question of really, do you want, what's going on with my hair? You gotta ask yourself the question of, do you want somebody to be your boots on the ground, or do you want to do it all virtually? And that's something that you gotta figure out yourself. You can pay someone, BPO photo flow. There are services that'll go and take pictures for you. You could do that. It's just a question of can you understand the market well enough that you can go into contract on a house somewhere where you don't know. So the truth is, in most parts of the country, if you go into contract, you have this inspection contingency, so you can do some due diligence before you can get out of the contract. In New York, you don't. So that takes away some of the risk of doing it outside of New York. But again, doing it outside New York is a different animal. I really teach and specialize in doing it in New York. So I know I'm not that helpful, but just understand that the fact that you're in New York does not mean you have any of the New York restrictions or benefits if you wholesale properties outside of the state of New York. I hope this was helpful. If you're interested in coaching, go to coaching.howtoflipnewyork.com. If you're interested in just how the different ways I can help you, go to howtoflipnewyork.com. If you like these videos, please click like. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe. And please keep the comments coming with requests for videos. I will answer every single one of them eventually. Thank you very, very much.